Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 9 of 20 week 2, The News World. I'm Louis.
And I'm Claire. If there's one story that never leaves the front page, it's the cost of living. Today, money.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Les prix sont élevés et les gens ont moins d'argent. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Les prix sont élevés et les gens ont moins d'argent.
One price, then many prices. Claire.
Le prix, les prix.
Did you catch it? The word itself never moves. It's born with an X on the end and keeps it. Singular or plural. The article does all the work. Lou for one, les for many. Episode 5's silent plural trick, back on duty. Your turn, the plural, the prices.
Les prix. Les prix. And they are high, practically a permanent headline. Careful though, in French prices are never expensive. They are raised, elevated. Les prix sont élevés.
Now it's your turn, say the headline.
Les prix sont élevés.
Things, on the other hand, are expensive. And here's a very French move. The everyday word for cheap is simply not expensive.
Cher, pas cher.
Both of them, your turn.
Cher, pas cher.
And what do people have less of? Money. And here comes today's quirk. The French word for money literally means silver. France has been paying in silver coins since the Middle Ages, and the word simply never moved on.
L'argent,
Your turn, repeat after Claire.
l'argent. Less money, and listen to episode 3's apostrophe doing its job, smoothing the two words into one. Moins d'argent. Moins d'argent.
And its opposite you already know from episode 4, more than 10,000 people. More money.
Plus d'argent. Less money, more money. Between those two phrases sits roughly half of all economic journalism.
Now you say, people have less money. Repeat after Claire.
Les gens ont moins d'argent. Les gens ont moins d'argent. Now let's spend some of this silver louis, the currency, l'euro. How much does a coffee cost? Listen. Le café coûte 4 euros.
The coffee costs €4, and tucked inside that sentence is the verb to cost, the money verb for your sheet.
One more treat before the till closes. Listen to 2 euros and catch the little Z gluing the words together. 2 euros. On paper, that S at the end is silent, but in front of a vowel, it wakes up as a Z. That's the liaison from episode 8, now handling your change. Your turn, 2 euros. Repeat after me. 2 euros. 2 euros.
And now the most useful shop sentence in France. Say, that costs €10.
Ça coûte 10 euros. Ça coûte 10 euros.
From the top. Claire, slowly.
Les prix sont élevés et les gens ont moins d'argent.
Prices are high and people have less money. Real speed.
Les prix sont élevés et les gens ont moins d'argent. Your turn, the whole sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Les prix sont élevés et les gens ont moins d'argent. Très bien.
Day 9. Prices, money, more and less, euros with their little z and the verb to cost. The sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1 carries the full economy kit. 25 words, printable.
And the 10-minute homework pays compound interest. Money vocabulary is in the news every day and at the till with every coffee. Demain, l'équipe de France joue.
Tomorrow, the French national team plays. Sport Day, the end of week 2 and the halfway line of the whole series. See you then.
À demain.